Alright, everybody. Welcome back to another episode Smoking Swamp Outdoors. This video is going to be about propane as a great alternative for cooking, heating, whatever it may be. You can even buy portable ovens that are propane. They're great. The power goes out. You can still cook. This setup that we have here is for our home. It's a 2-in-1 deal. So it'll point and it'll tell you which one you're on. So we're using the left tank right now, and the right one is full. For me and my family, one tank lasts about a month. We can stretch it to a month and a half if we really had to. So really we got about 2 months right there. We've got another 2 tanks over here that we're going to be bringing up to exchange for full ones, and then put them back in rotation. It's great because once they start getting worn, like this one, not looking as sharp as the other ones, just replace it, get a new one. So if you store them properly, they'll last a long time. But they're great because you can buy stoves, portable stoves and stuff. They got attachments, you can hook them right up to it. I hope this video was informative. Maybe give somebody some ideas on what they can do for secondary heating and cooking. So hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more outdoors. And be ready for anything wild.